The Su-57 is Russia's latest fifth-generation fighter jet, a rival of the US F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. His ability in the sky amazed people around the world and military representatives at the 2017 Max Aerospace exhibition this year. Military experts do not hide the fact that this jet still needs a lot of development. Therefore, this month the Su-57 began to use a new sophisticated machine. What is the heart? After the trial is complete, this machine will allow the Su-57 to accelerate the change of mode from non-combustion to supersonic speed, and maintain it until the flight is complete. I think the speed will be 1.6 Mach, around 2,000 km per hour, depending on where it flies. This machine will also increase the ability of the Su-57 stealth because of the new composite material, said Pavel Bulat, avionics expert and director of Show-Sukhoi. According to him, this update will be completed completely by 2020. Sukhoi Corporation, which is building the jet, also plans to improve its radar system. Bulat believes that the Su-57 is the fifth most advanced generation fighter jet in the world. What weapons will Su-57 have? The most modern aircraft must be equipped with the most modern weapons. In addition to 30mm of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, this jet will also be equipped with a number of hidden bombs inside, other than those hanging on the wings, to make it undetectable to enemy radar. During the campaign in Syria, the Russian Air Force tested potential weapons for the Su-57. One of them is the OFZAB 500 high explosive burner and ODAB 500 PMB aviation bomb. How many are Su-57 for? His first shipment was included in the 2018 to 2025 State Armament Program. However, the Russian Defense Ministry did not rush to pour funds for more Su-57s. First, the unit price of Su-57 without weapons can reach $100 million, 1.35 trillion rupiah. No doubt, it is a very effective but expensive machine, said Dmitry Safonov, military analyst from the Daily Izvestia. He added that this was one of the reasons why the Russian Ministry of Defense only bought 12 units first, not 48 like the original plan. For now, the fourth generation Su-35C fighter jet will replace the Su-57 task.